Compare array wise of two 3D matrices in Numpy without for loops. All Numpy experts, this is probably pretty straightforward for you guys. This question should exist, but I did not found something exact solving it. Something similar was comparing two matrices row-wise by occurrence in Numpy and Numpy compare array to multiple scalars at once but not exactly there. I need to compute numpy.array_equal for a multidimensional array, but I'm pretty sure I don't need to use double for loops. However, if I would compute using double for loops, it would look as following. I should end up with a m.shape02 large truth table, where at least the diagonal is true.
Leverage broadcasting after extending the input to two 4D versions such that we can compare the pairwise array blocks against each other along the first axis while keeping the last two axes aligned. We can extend this to generic n-dim array case using last two axes as input to .all. Leverage views to have a more memory efficient and hence performant one. Timings on large array. Original one. The conclusion would be, remove loops, but watch out for memory usage. If possible, find other ways that keeps it vectorized and memory efficient.